Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to write a Python program to print a series of numbers right from 1 up to the number provided by the user. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, talking about the agenda of this video, then let's say the user has entered a number, let's say the number is 5, then we have to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, we have to print from 1 up to the number provided by the user. So this thing we will perform with help of for loop. Now let's see how exactly we can do that in Python. So first of all, what we want to have? So we want to have the value of n, right? So let's have a variable called n, and in this variable we will ask the user to enter the number, right? We know that in Python we can take input from the user with help of input function. So we'll simply write input and then the comment. The comment would be what? To enter the number, right? Now we know that by default in Python this input function gives us a string. So let's say the user has entered 5, but that 5 is not in integer form, but it is in string, right? So we have to explicitly cast it to number type. So that we can perform with help of normal casting, and over here in this situation we have to cast it to integer data type. So let's simply write int, and within the parentheses we have to provide this input function. Once our code moves to next line, that means we would have got the number provided by the user. So if let's say the user has entered 5, then by this time, by the line number 10, we would have got that yeah, the value of n is 5. Okay, now what we have to do? Now we have to print this up. So how we will do it is we'll simply use for in, and the way how we will write is, first of all we will write for, and then the variable means usually we take it I, which will have the values of this part. Now let it be I, and then in, and then if we are dealing with a range of number, then we will use the keyword range, and it works in such a way that the first part is inclusive whereas the last part is exclusive. So from this what I mean is that if we write 1 comma n and let's say the user has entered 5, then our loop or our I will contain the value 1, 2, 3, 4. The last value is exclusive, that is why the last value won't be considered. Right, now let's simply print this up. Now let's run this program to see everything working. And it's asking me to enter the number. Let the number be 10. And boom, here you can see that from 1 up to 10 we got the result, right? Let's try out with the different input. Let it be simply 100. And here you can see that we got the number right from 1 up to 100. So this is how we can write a program in Python to print the series of number right from 1 up to the number provided by the user. So this was all about the video. Thank you.